Boxing Day Unboxed, celebrations across the English-speaking world. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving into the festive world of Boxing Day, a special holiday celebrated in many English-speaking countries. By the end of this video, you'll understand the origins, traditions, and modern practices of this unique day. Boxing Day, celebrated on December 26th, is a public holiday in many English-speaking countries. It originally began in the UK and is linked to the British tradition where employers would give Christmas boxes containing gifts, money, or food to their servants or employees. This was a way to appreciate their service throughout the year. UK. In the UK, apart from giving out boxes, Boxing Day is also a time for sports and outdoor activities. One popular tradition is the Boxing Day hunt, where groups gather, often on horseback, to follow a trail. Canada. In Canada, Boxing Day is mainly known for its massive sales. Similar to Black Friday in the US, many Canadians use this day to snag deals and shop. Australia. In Australia, the day after Christmas is a time for sports and relaxation. The Boxing Day Test match, a cricket game, is one of the major events of the day. New Zealand. New Zealanders, like their neighbors in Australia, also enjoy sports on Boxing Day. However, it's also a day for family gatherings and enjoying the Southern Hemisphere's summer. As the world becomes more globalized, the ways Boxing Day is celebrated have also evolved. Now, in many places, it's less about the historical boxes and more about spending time with family, enjoying sales, or just relaxing after Christmas Day. 1. Name origin. The term boxing doesn't refer to the sport but to the gift boxes given to employees. 2. Bank holiday. If Boxing Day falls on a weekend, the following Monday might be a holiday. 3. Not worldwide. While many English-speaking countries celebrate Boxing Day, the US does not have this tradition. So there you have it, the festive world of Boxing Day. Whether you're shopping in Canada, watching cricket in Australia, or just enjoying the day with family in New Zealand, this day is a cherished holiday in the English-speaking world. We hope this video broadened your cultural horizons and helps you connect more with English speakers around the globe. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.